Hey viewers, Jennifer here from Email Tree, and I'm excited to chat with my colleague Alex about how BPO can help any sized business reach the next level.
Thanks, Jennifer. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. This is when a company partners with a provider like WebHelp to handle essential functions like HR, IT, customer service, and more.
This offers so many benefits for both large and small companies.
Exactly. A key advantage is cost savings. BPO providers can offer lower costs thanks to economies of scale.
Outsourcing also boosts efficiency by letting your team stay focused on core priorities.
Good point. And it's easy to scale BPO services up or down as your needs change. BPO lets you punch above your weight class. Don't forget access to talent. BPO firms employ dedicated experts with specialized skills and industry-leading tech. Established providers bring robust processes for consistent quality too.
Choosing the right partner is crucial. Look for relevant experience, stellar customer service, expertise in your specific market, and use of automation.
Absolutely, Jennifer. It's all about finding a partner who aligns with your business needs and can truly enhance your operations. For sure, BPO makes enterprise-level capabilities accessible for small to mid-sized companies. You get flexibility and innovation without huge investment. Beyond bandwidth, BPO saves money through economies of scale and by streamlining processes. Efficiency skyrockets. Offshore outsourcing can bring even more cost benefits. Specialized BPO firms offer deep domain knowledge to support your core business functions. Outsourcing gives you more time for innovation, sales, strategic planning.
BPO is key for any sized organization to stay competitive. Choose the right partner, and outsourcing can accelerate your success.
Thanks for tuning in. Have a productive day.
See you next time. Bye for now.